Welcome back to my channel. The 2026 Bugatti Hypercamper is imagined as the ultimate fusion of hypercar engineering and ultra-luxury motorhome design, created for billionaires who demand private jet comfort with Bugatti's legendary performance DNA. Featuring a full carbon titanium monocoque chassis inspired by the Chiron Super Sport for extreme rigidity and lightweight strength, combined with an adaptive aerospace-grade active suspension system capable of automatically leveling the vehicle on any terrain while delivering a glass-smooth ride at high speed. Powered by a quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 hybrid powertrain producing an estimated 1,800 horsepower with electric torque fill for silent city driving and explosive highway acceleration, supported by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring that ensures absolute control even at triple-digit speeds, while an advanced ceramic graphene braking system provides hypercar-level stopping power for a vehicle of this scale, complemented by rear-wheel steering for remarkable maneuverability in tight urban spaces, and a top-tier AI-assisted driving suite with Level 4 autonomous capability, predictive navigation, adaptive route optimization for luxury destinations, and biometric driver authentication using facial recognition and fingerprint scanning. Inside, the Hypercamper offers a double-expansion carbon fiber living module that extends electronically to create a penthouse-sized interior finished in hand-stitched French leather, rare Himalayan wool carpets, polished carbon crystal surfaces, and 24-karat gold micro-inlays integrated into control dials and ambient trim, while electrochromic panoramic glass walls instantly shift from transparent to private tint, paired with smart climate-controlled windows that block UV, infrared heat, and noise pollution, supported by a tri-zone fragrance infusion system developed with luxury perfumers from Grass, allowing occupants to select personalized interior scents for relaxation, focus, or sleep. The master bedroom features a king-size magnetic levitation bed that automatically stabilizes against vibration, wrapped in temperature-regulating silk blend upholstery, paired with a holographic ceiling display simulating star constellations in real time using GPS positioning, while the bathroom rivals five-star hotels with a self-cleaning titanium spa shower, mineral infusion steam therapy, a heated marble floor carved from a single Italian stone slab, and a smart mirror that performs health diagnostics including hydration levels, heart rate variability, and stress analysis. The onboard kitchen is engineered like a Michelin-grade culinary lab, equipped with diamond-coated cookware, an induction fusion cooking surface, molecular gastronomy modules, an AI wine sommelier managing a climate-controlled 200-bottle cellar, and robotic storage drawers that secure contents during high-speed travel, while the lounge area transforms into a private cinema with a 12K micro-LED retractable screen, 360-degree spatial audio tuned by former Bugatti acoustic engineers, vibration-compensated seating, and gesture-controlled holographic interfaces replacing traditional switches. Power autonomy is delivered by a solid-state battery bank combined with hydrogen-assisted generators and solar graphene roof panels, enabling weeks of off-grid luxury living without refueling, supported by a water-from-air atmospheric harvesting system, self-sterilizing freshwater tanks, and AI-managed waste recycling that leaves virtually zero environmental footprint, while satellite-based Starlink quantum connectivity ensures uninterrupted ultra-high-speed internet anywhere on Earth, protected by military-grade cybersecurity firewalls and encrypted communication protocols. Exterior design remains unmistakably Bugatti, featuring a floating horseshoe grille crafted from brushed titanium, adaptive LED laser matrix headlights shaped like gemstone blades, aerodynamic active body panels that adjust in real time for efficiency or performance, a rear deck housing a concealed drone garage with autonomous surveillance and cinematic recording drones, and a deployable carbon fiber sky terrace complete with heated flooring, electro-wind shielding, and a champagne bar built from sapphire crystal, while a hidden rear garage accommodates a Bugatti scooter or micro-EV for city exploration. Safety technology includes a 360-degree predictive collision avoidance system, night vision thermal cameras, reinforced ballistic glass rated against extreme impact, an emergency medical AI that can remotely connect to doctors worldwide, and an integrated escape capsule for elite-level personal security. Every unit of the 2026 Bugatti Hypercamper is imagined to be fully bespoke, allowing owners to customize everything from exterior paint infused with diamond dust to personalized sound signatures for door closures, ensuring that no two vehicles are identical, ultimately redefining the concept of a motorhome by combining hypercar performance, yacht-grade luxury, private jet technology, and futuristic sustainability into a single rolling masterpiece that truly represents what limitless luxury looks like.